Hi everyone, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. I'm sorry for the shaky few seconds of the video in the beginning. I just wanted to show you this very impressive box from the Happy Planner that I ordered on Black Friday. It is filled to the brim with stuff. I want to just show you, and then in a second we're going to be moving to my desk, and that should be much easier when it's all stabilized. Okay, so first thing I got is a set of 3 journals. One is dot grid, one is completely clear, and one is lined dot. I'm gonna open them and show you, of course, and my blade falls out. Isn't that convenient? Okay, so on to opening of these journals. And you will see for yourself the inside, but look at the covers. Look how beautiful they are. That blue one especially, which is that clean notebook, it is so gorgeous. To me, it's just absolutely beautiful, and it brings me so much joy to look at them. And then I got quite a few deco pens because I think they're on sale for about $120 or something ridiculous. And I thought that these are quite fun to use once in a while in your planners, so I bought the deco pens and I really enjoy them. There's so many different ones, so I just bought 4 kinds, I believe. So there we go. The next thing I got is some stickers. I purchased the basics, so it's just boxes, because it seems that that's what I use the most, so I just purchased plain boxes because I know those will get used up. And then I bought some accessory stickers as well, so I bought the socialite and then the daydreamer. And I didn't have socialite before, and I didn't know how gorgeous her stickers are, because I am absolutely in love. And then the daydreamer, I already knew that they're very whimsical and I like them, so I purchased another accessory pack. And then I bought some journaling stickers, so Boss Babe, and then Color Black, and then those plain ones. I'm digging into the box, it's so deep. I almost have to dive to pull things out of there. And I got 2 half-sheet notebooks. One is lined, one is dot grid, and one is black and one white, and one says Squeeze the Day, and it has yellow stripe on the inside. They're quite beautiful. One of them is actually for a giveaway that I'm doing. And then I got an undated fitness planner. It's beautiful. It's a huge box. They were on such a big sale, and they're undated, and I just wanted to purchase one because I never used one, so I might switch this in between with the planner I picked for my fitness for 2020. We will see if I mix it up or if I'm gonna stick with the one I have, but we will see. And I got some happy notes. So I got the Have Courage and Be Kind one, which is like decorated pages. It's beautiful. Then I got the happy notes. I got 4 sets of happy notes, so it's all of them are different. One is lined paper, one is sketch paper, and then I got the Womankind, and that's sketch paper as well. And then I got so many of these deluxe covers. They were doorbusters at the Happy Planner, and I do use them not all the time, but once in a while, especially when I have meetings outside of my town. I usually will take my planner and one of those deluxe covers because it's protected, and I feel like it's protected, and I just feel much better about it. So I got quite a few of them. I think I got 5, so I have different colors. I only had one up to this point. I just started journaling, just started decorating my planner and using Happy Planner in July, so I needed more of these. So I got a teal, a pink, a yellow, and a black, and a white. So I got 5. So now I will have 6. Okay, also the Joann Fabric Store had such a huge sale on all of their Happy Planner stuff. There were doorbusters, but there was also 60% off of Happy Planner on Sunday, and I bought quite a bit from them as well. For the first time, I bought those sticky pockets. I never had those before. And then I found this notepad that corresponds to Homebody. That's quite nice. It has a quite extensive list with some room to write underneath. I think that would be great to write some projects out and be able to plan step by step on top and kind of do almost like a vision board on the bottom for it. And then I got an accessory pack from the Run girls. I absolutely love them. Initially, when I saw the sticker books, I didn't think it's gonna be my thing, but the more and more I use them, the more and more I realize how much I love that. And I've been realizing the same thing with squad goals and squad life. I didn't think I'm going to use it, but I use it all the time now. And I got some more happy notes. So I got dot grid, and I had that one before, and I pretty much used it up. So it's time to refill that one because I really do love it. And I found dot grid happy notes and one with the palm monster leaves or whatever they're called. That one is beautiful as well. So I just wanted to take off and show you the inside. So that one only has like a paint brush of green on it a little bit. That one, the cover on the inside itself, it was just worth the money, but it has this leopard print on the inside of the pages, and it's quite nice. And that one, I think this is the one with the leaves on the inside. It is so beautiful. I really enjoy that paper with those gray leaves sticking out. I think it's very basic. It's quite nice. And then that notebook I bought mostly for the cover, but when I saw the inside, I fell in love. It is so beautiful. It's very like dainty and very girly, and I just simply loved it, and I couldn't pass it up. It was too beautiful not to have it. And then for the first time ever, I bought my storage sticker book. So sticker storage, I'm sorry. And I am not using this for the full-size books. I'm going to be using it for those books that are like 5-6 pages from Happy Planner, and I have a lot of repeats of those, so I'll be able to just categorize them and keep them together and see what I have. So I think that will be quite nice to be able to do that. And this is what the notebook looks like inside, the storage notebook, and it has adhesive sheets, and you just stick one side and then the other side of the sticker on there, and then you're done. And I really do love the stripe design. I think it's quite nice. And then I ended up buying 2 of the Mega Pastels. One will be for a giveaway, one is for myself because that's one of the megas I didn't have. And so now I have 3 mega books, I think. Yes, I have 3 mega books. So one is for me, one is for you guys for that giveaway I'm doing with Planner Babe. And then I also bought the super stickers because I use so many boxes and this one is mostly boxes, so it was just perfect for me. And then I ended up buying checklists and that 5 roll. I've never used stickers in a roll, so I want to see if I could use it. We will see how that goes because my cart, all of my carts are overflowing, so I shouldn't be buying anything more, but Mambi keeps coming out with stuff and I want more and more, probably like all of you guys, where we all want more and more stuff from them. It's just so beautiful, it's hard to pass by. Okay, so I'm trying to open and it's not the easiest thing to open, and I think I just broke the box. Ouch. Oh well, it's just the box, right? Okay, so they come in a roll and checklists and what else? There's like boxes. It's kind of nice. I think I'm going to be able to use this. It probably will be hard to find matching colors because of that. And then I bought a set of 10 washi and in blue and then one in green. The green one and the blue one will kind of work pretty great for the winter and the holidays. And then I bought a notepad with different colors, and then I bought one that corresponds with Glam Girl. And then I ended up buying quite a few sticker books. So I've been using so much fall this year that I decided to get a second book of that for next year because I really did love the stickers and all of that stuff. And it's such a beautiful book. It just is, the leaves and everything, and I love seasonal books, so I just picked up another one. And then I picked up Wrong Mini. Even though I don't use a mini planner, sometimes I really like to use mini stickers in my classic planner. And then I bought another one of the monthly boxes because I thought that was beautiful. And then Color Story 4 because these are always in demand. And then the tiny sticker book, which I never had prior to this, so this is my first time having it, and it has such a functional, beautiful stickers. I was very surprised. And then this memory book, if you don't have it, it is so beautiful. And then this is a double that I have. I bought a second set because the first one, it's just so beautiful. I'm afraid to use it. Like, I'm not using it because it's too pretty. As funny as that sounds, that's exactly what's going on. And I bought a Rang Every Day because same thing, I was saving those stickers because those girls are so beautiful. I was not willing to part with them. And as silly as that sounds, when I have a second book, I actually can part with both of them. I'm not sure, it's just bizarre. And then I've never had the accessory books for the Rang, so I also bought those. And I think that's pretty much it. That will kind of finish up my huge shopping haul. So between the Happy Planner and the Joann Fabric Store, which, like I said, it was so worth it because everything was on 60% sale, which is huge. And I really love the girls in this accessory book. They're just so beautiful and I've never seen it. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!